Hello guys, today I will show you how to install netnoob GitHub in your Kali Linux in Android. First you make your terminal update and upgrade. For making update and upgrade you have to type apt update and apt upgrade. It will take some time in your terminal guys. If you ask for the Y or N, you have to type Y for S. After that clone this one, copy this one and go back to your terminal. You have to type, after that clone it by typing get clone and copy this link. I given these links and commands in my Telegram channel guys, so please visit there and press enter. After that it will take some minutes. After that make ls for the list and cd for the chain directory and search for the netnoob. Okay, here it is, and copy it, and now you are in the netnoob directory and clear it. Again go here and copy this command chmod, copy it, make ls for a list and copy this one, give the execute permission for this. Okay, make ls, now it will become green. After that you have to type dot slash, copy this one and run it. See guys, after that you have to type netnoob. Okay, if you press enter it will show the commands. So this video is only for education purpose. So if you want a full practical video of this tool, you can join in my Telegram channel guys. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.